your pockets getting fatter. That's just the side way the system works, cause politicking is to maximize, capitalize, boom, brainwashing on the sad story. How we be killing, raping, murdering, like history books of philosophers in the past told us. Machiavelli was right, these motherfuckers, they selfish, they're probably the same people that worship in triangles, worshiping black magic and voodoo. The way they can be controlling people, controlling me and you, controlling all the elements like earth, water, fire, and the air that you breathe in it, controlling half of these artists and seeds that you're listening, controlling population cause resources be limited, controlling who can live and eat it, who need to be eliminated, controlling anything that might get come up and be copywritten. One thing for sure, they're controlling to never end poverty. ঝাপসা চোখে মৃত্যু ক্ষুধার সত্য তাড়নায়, আঁকা বাঁকান মনে ছোড়া পথে পোড়া মনে, অগোছালো স্বপ্ন পূরণে পারি দেয় কোন জানা অজানা।